Here's a tour of the Higdon Road Railroad crossing in Huntsville, Alabama. But as you can see here, this crossing's on the Mercury and Chase Road. As you can see, this signal has a modern industries base. The emergency information is 1-256-851-2676, and there used to be some whites, but they're now gone. The other signal's the same, except it has a non-functional WRRS mechanical bell. Nothing much here. Wish the crossing still had its lights. Yeah, that was a tour of the Higdon Road crossing.